waves. First type is when it's known as a transverse wave, is when particles in the medium oscillate perpendicular to the way the wave travels. Oscillate means goes back and forth. Okay, when particles in the medium oscillate back and forth.
I'm writing everything down. Thank you. I was just talking
Yeah, let
about
me take a picture for Rachel.
What? Wait, let me finish. And then,
Okay, so which way is the wave traveling in this animation? Okay, it's going to the right. Now, pick one dot, one particle, and look to see how it's moving. This is to help you. Okay, it's just moving up and down, oscillating perpendicular to the way the wave is moving. Good with that? Okay, so that's one type. Okay, hang on to that. That's coming. That's coming. Okay. One type is the oscillation is perpendicular. So the other type would be what? Parallel. Okay. So and that's known as a longitudinal wave, when the particles oscillate parallel to the way the wave travels, known as a longitudinal wave. So in this animation, the wave is traveling to the right. And you see a single particle just oscillating right and left. If you've ever seen an aerial shot of like ocean waves, that's kind of what it looks like. If that makes sense.
So, if the water, it's like, let's say I get hit by a wave, it carries, get hit by the same water every single time, or is it like, it's different water?
Different water molecules, just transferring the energy until it crashes. The crashing that doesn't count. Okay, good with that? No. I'll tell you that here in a second. Okay, so drawing longitudinal waves are not fun. Okay, so parts of a longitudinal wave. You got compression, which that part makes sense. So like that's not brain busting. But this spread apart, look like region, this is known as rarefaction. Okay. However, instead of drawing a longitudinal wave, a lot of times what we'll do is we'll graph the pressure. So during compression, you have high pressure. During the rarefaction, you have low pressure. And then this is just normal pressure. And it oscillates between high pressure, low pressure, high pressure, low pressure. Cool with that?
So at the bottom it's the recorrection and the top is the compression. Or is it compression at top and bottom?
No. Compression is just the top because it's high pressure. Rarefaction is low pressure at the bottom. Okay. So to show you what an actual ocean, here's a picture of an ocean wave. An ocean wave is actually a combination of longitudinal and transverse. Think of it like a seagull or a buoy floating out in the ocean.
Can you pull out a teacher recommendation for this year?
I sure can.
Thank you. Also, I want to tell you because I think you would think it was funny. I was inside a tornado this weekend. I was driving back from Florida and we were in Lebanon, and there was like golf balls with size hail. Those in your car, there's huge dents in the car. It's a brand new car too. And then it was like the sky was completely white because it kept lightning, and we had just switched. My mom had switched with me 15 minutes, like literally like 15 minutes before the lightning starts, and then like 2 minutes before we got back on the road, the tornado starts and we couldn't find an underpass, so we got under one, and then the tornado was on us.
No way.
Yes, we were inside a tornado. I was sobbing. It was really scary.
Yeah.
Kind of funny though.
Did it move